Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to perform an oil change on your Toyota RAV4. First, gather your essential tools and supplies. You will need a 14mm wrench or socket for the drain plug and a 64mm 14-flute oil filter wrench. Also, have a drain pan, a funnel, a new oil filter, a fresh crush washer, and approximately 4.5 quarts of 0W20 synthetic motor oil ready. Safety is paramount, so use jack stands or ramps to securely lift your vehicle. Once your vehicle is safely elevated, slightly warm the engine for about 5 minutes to help the oil flow better. Position your drain pan directly beneath the oil drain plug. Using your 14mm wrench, carefully loosen and remove the drain plug, allowing the old engine oil to fully drain into the pan. This usually takes about 10 to 15 minutes. After draining, replace the old crush washer on the drain plug with a new one. Then reinstall the plug and tighten it to 30 foot-pounds. Next, locate the oil filter housing. Use your 64mm 14-flute oil filter wrench to carefully remove the old filter housing. Replace the old filter element and O-rings with new ones, then hand-tighten the housing before torquing it to 13 foot-pounds. Once the filter is secure, lower your vehicle. Open the oil fill cap and use a funnel to slowly add approximately 4.5 quarts of fresh 0W20 synthetic motor oil. After adding the new oil, start your engine and let it run for a few minutes. This allows the new oil to circulate and fill the filter. While the engine runs, visually inspect for any leaks around the drain plug and the oil filter housing. Turn off the engine, wait about 5 minutes for the oil to settle, then check the oil level using the dipstick. Top off if necessary. Finally, remember to properly dispose of your old engine oil at an authorized recycling center.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.